Take your cooking event to the next level by creating a recurring schedule to meet the growing demand. First, create and customize your listing to showcase your event. You will add the title of your event, the description, as well as your price in question, and your cancellation and refund policies. Once your listing is ready, you will click on the time slot tab and click on add new time slot. Set the start and end times. And then click the repeat box to configure the recurrence frequency, whether it be daily, weekly, monthly. So I'm going to select weekly on a Saturday. Then click OK, and then you will set an end date to end the recurrence. A recurring time slot is perfect for events with a set schedule, like a cooking class every first Friday at 10 a.m. or a private party at 5 p.m. on weekdays. With just a few clicks and a save, your recurring schedule will be ready, making it easier than ever for customers to book their preferred session. Once you're done, you can click Preview to see exactly what your customers will experience. You can just scroll down and click on more dates to view your recurrence.